So what we've got here is chicken, a chicken curry, but it's cooked in yogurt or curd or dahi, depends where you come from. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So in there I've got 4 chicken legs. The bone is in, the skin is off, and I've cut each leg in half, so you've got a drumstick and then the bottom bit there. 1 cup of onions, 3 cups here of yogurt or curd or yogurt, whatever you call it. So if you're going to get a plain curd or yogurt, whisk it. Get it in a bowl and whisk it up till it's nice and smooth. It gets all the lumps out. It makes a massive difference. Tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri chili powder if you're interested. About 1 inch of cinnamon, 3 dried red chilies, 3 black cardamoms, and just underneath there I've got like a teaspoon of black peppercorns and a teaspoon of cloves. So in here I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could use something different if you want. Now, quite a lot of oil, but it's kind of part of it really. So let's drop in that cinnamon, the red chilies, on quite a high heat by the way. Dropping in my black cardamom, which I'm putting in whole. You can break them open if you want and let the seeds come out. Black peppercorns and cloves. We're now going to go in with 1 cup of onion. I'm going to cook this for about 3 minutes. Now if you want, you could get your onions browner than this. I like it just like that. We're now going to add in the ginger garlic paste. It's a 50-50 mix of the two. We're going to add salt. We'll give that a little mix. And we're on an above medium heat, as you can probably hear and see. Now we're going to drop in the chicken. Chicken legs, bone in, skin off, cut the legs in half. We're going to go now for about 6 minutes, just frying this chicken around. Okay, beautiful. So got some nice action onto the chicken as it cooks. Right, we're now going to add our powders. Let's take one more look. Half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons chili. Now if you want, you could add fresh chili to this, which I'm not going to do, but some people would add some fresh chili in there. Now the second most important ingredient after the chicken is we're going to add 3 cups of yogurt. And like I say, very important that you whisk it and get it smooth. What we're going to do now is we're going to turn this heat down to a simmer, nice and low. We're going to get a lid on it and we're going to let it go for about 7 to 8 minutes. You can give it a stir every now and then. We have pretty much completed this dish. So I've just taken the lid off that. It looks fabulous. Perfectly cooked. Only one more thing to do, and we're going to get some cilantro or coriander in there. We're going to give that a mix and we can serve. Job done. Beautiful. Okay, and there she goes. Beautiful. Just serve that up. Just going to add now a little bit of lemon juice at the end. You could do it while you're cooking and mix it in, but I like just to do it at the end as we're serving. That's it. Beautiful. Chicken cooked in yogurt. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. Do the old thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that old stuff. You know what I mean. I'll see you soon.